Google Voice Update, three-way calling and new interface features. Get ready for some fantastic news if you're a Google Voice user. Google has just rolled out a major update that's set to transform your calling experience, especially for those with a Workspace subscription. So, what's the scoop? Let's dive in. First off, Google has introduced three-way calling support, which means you can now easily connect with two people at once. Imagine starting a call with a friend and then seamlessly adding another person to the conversation. It's as simple as tapping a button. The newly revamped interface makes this even easier, with the add and merge options prominently displayed for quick access. When you're on a call, you'll find the add button right at the top, alongside options like transfer and hold. Just tap it, and you'll see a list of suggested contacts to choose from, or you can search for someone specific. Once you add that third person, their call will be placed on hold, and the add button will change to merge. With just one more tap, you'll have everyone on the line together in a lively conference call. But that's not all. Google has also made significant improvements to the call screen experience. Important tools are now easier to find, ensuring you can manage your calls without any hassle. The notification for calls on hold is now more visible, making it simpler to keep track of your conversations. Now, let's talk about who gets to enjoy these exciting features. The three-way calling support is rolling out for Google Workspace customers with Voice Starter, Voice Standard, and Voice Premier subscriptions, as well as SIP Link Standard and SIP Link Premier users. And don't worry, the updated interface will soon be available for all Google Voice users. The rollout began on May 1st and should be completed in about 15 days. In case you missed it, Google Voice has been busy making improvements. Back in February, they introduced a feature called Call Delegation, which allows users to transfer calls to another person easily. This feature is especially handy for business users, as it works like a corporate phone line. You can either transfer a call immediately or choose to ask first for confirmation before passing it along. So, whether you're using Google Voice for personal or business purposes, these updates are sure to enhance your calling experience. Stay tuned for more exciting news from the world of Google Voice.